So good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon,
Yes,
sir.
am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us start with the magic of Vedic mathematics. So why I am calling it as magic, you will be able to understand within few minutes of the class. So everyone is prepared?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Samira Shivani, Samir Sharma and Samija Sharma. Is it the same?
Yes, sir.
So why two windows have been open?
No, sir. It's like my sister is taking from another account.
Please close down one.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let us now, very first thing, I would say always, whenever you start with something new, appreciate yourself, pat yourself, because you have taken the first step towards learning of Vedic mathematics. It is not only Vedic mathematics, whenever you go for anything new, whenever you are moving towards a new journey in your life, always congratulate yourself first. Yes, we need to thank God for giving us this opportunity, but at the same time, we should appreciate ourselves because that will give us more motivation, more confidence, and more power to fight, right? To move into this world. Now, let me introduce myself. So I am Dr. Yogesh Chandna, an internationally certified trainer for Vedic mathematics. Also an author of books, Vedic Mathematics Step by Step, a series of books. I'm an educator by profession and motivate and help people to grow as entrepreneurs. So this was why I told you, congratulate yourself, pat yourself, because the first step towards any journey is the most difficult one. And today you have all crossed that first step. You have taken that initiative, yes, to learn Vedic mathematics. See, that is the only need of the hour. You might have seen we plan so many things in our life. But the moment we have to start, we start thinking, oh, let's postpone. I'll share you a very simple example. How many of you plan or you make resolutions for a new year? Yes. How many of us make resolutions for new year? Yes, Apeksha, Khushi, Samir, Shivani, Shilpa.
Sir, I plan, but I never,
Yes.
follow. I just think about it and I couldn't complete.
Okay. Now, one request from to all of you. See, this workshop is to become an entrepreneur, to become a trainer.
Yeah.
So I'll just request everyone that please switch on your videos because you'll get more confidence and you'll not be distracted by anything else. Right? If you are here for continuously 3 hours, you'll be learning so much today. Right? Thank you very much. Okay. So we plan number of things. Every year we plan for meditation, yoga, or morning walk. What happens on the first day? We just say, or we delay, or we postpone the things. Right? Right? It happens with you also, Samir, Shivani? Yes, Shivani. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
So it happens to you also or not? Do you also make some resolutions every new year and then postpone it?
Yes,
Okay.
pardon, please, sir.
मैम पीछे से बच्चों की आवाज आ रही है, वो थोड़ा सा आप साइड पे बैठना पड़ेगा आपको. Okay. Now what happens? See, this is what happens. With every positive thought in your life, whenever you have a positive thought in your life, it is always a question mark. There is always a doubt regarding that.
Yes, sir.
This is a nature. right? So whenever we plan for something good, something innovative, something constructive, something positive, something educational, we always start doubting it. And not only on this, just remember, you were preparing for some entrance examination, everything was fine. At the last moment, you thought, let us not go, or let's not go for entrance. Maybe I'll not be able to pass even. Why do we think negative? Why it happens? So the reason behind is every positive thought has a doubt associated to it. Yes, Flavia, you're late. Okay, Sanjay. So with every positive thought, we always come across a doubt. And that is the reason we always postpone our plans. Now, so that means the first step is the always difficult one. That is where you have to start your journey. And if you postpone your first step, where will the journey go? Nothing. And it happens number of times in our life. I'll start my journey. Now we'll start this new journey with the quotes from Bhagavad Gita. What does Bhagavad Gita says? Bhagavad Gita says only one thing: be confident, be motivated all the time in your life. That is expected. And what happens? Even in one day, we get demotivated number of times. We lose our confidence. A small example again. I'm not feeling good, so I'll not have food. I'm not feeling good, I'll not do this thing. Now, what has the relation of doing good and doing the work? But that is what is known as you lose your confidence. You are not motivated. And what is expected from our life? Only two things: to be confident and to be motivated. And what relevance this subject has in our life? See, this subject, Vedic mathematics, it gives you confidence, very first thing, and keeps you motivated all the time. Today, when you solve some problems, you'll feel how much difference will come in you, right? So let's start our journey. Now, another major point, I had a word with some of you, and you were thinking like, oh, sir, we have already done so much. Will I be able to do now at this stage of life? Last time I had a person, Babu Rumangal, he was 67. And same question he also asked me, sir, will I be able to do anything now at this stage of life? I'm already retired. I always cite two examples, two latest examples for you. What was Donald Trump's age when he joined? When he became the most powerful man of the world? When he became the president of most powerful country of the world? He was 70. What about KFC person? How many times he failed? And then now he's one of the richest person and owning a brand like KFC. So age is just a number. So if you have any doubt, if you have any question mark, please leave that away. This is a journey of confidence and motivation. And believe me, just in 2 days, you'll start thinking differently. And if you'll continue for 15 minutes a day, your entire lifestyle will change. Okay. So this was from Bhagavad Gita, which we learned. Yes, we should be confident and motivated all the time in our life. So let us start this journey with motivation, with confidence. So you are at the right time, right place, and right way. Now, this is a day to learn. Now, what we'll be learning? We'll be learning concepts of Vedic mathematics. We'll be learning how to launch your own classes and how to lead a path of success in life. Right? So all of you are ready? Okay. I'm not able to hear, sir. See, please understand one thing. This is not a webinar where I'll speak and you'll just listen and go away. No, you need to participate. It is a workshop where 100% participation is necessary. Whatever question you'll be asking, that will clear your doubts, right? Okay, so let's start with the journey of Vedic mathematics, a brief history. How many of you are aware of the term Vedic mathematics? Yes, Khushi, Shivani, Samir, Shilpa, Alok, Sanjay.
Yes, sir. Sir, I don't know much, but I have heard that there are some sutras. So with the help of that sutras, we do calculation, and there are some tricks. So we can make the question very answer very quickly. We can do it. We can finish it with the help of sutra and sub
Okay.
sutra.
Now, I'll sum up your answer. You want to say that Vedic maths makes calculations simple, faster? Okay, correct. Yes, Apeksha.
I also know the same thing, sir.
No, you have to come up with your own words. Everybody has to give their own examination in life. See, we cannot cut, copy, paste others' answer. Right. All of us
No,
have
it's
studied
not
the
like a
same
cut
thing.
copy paste.
See, I'll tell you
No,
one.
it's not like a cut copy paste, but yes, my answer is same as like her also.
Yes.
There is 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras in Vedic maths, and there are tricks, so we are able to see the answers within seconds actually.
Okay. I'll object to one word: trick. See, Vedic math does not have tricks. It has concepts. Now, this is a rumor. This
Right.
is a misword, and it has been. Why it has been done? I'll give you all the examples. Yes, Alok, Sanjay. Anything you want to add?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me. बोलिए Alok. Okay. So, before giving you the definition of Vedic mathematics, I'll tell you why it's called Vedic mathematics. Why not something else? Why is it not called any XYZ mathematics? Why only Vedic mathematics? Anyone has an answer to this?
Because it comes from Vedas.
Perfect.
That's why.
Yes. So it is believed to be originated from our Vedas. How many Vedas we have? Hello, please. So how many Vedas? We have 4 Vedas. Can you name now? Yes, Samir and Samiza. Do you know how many Vedas we have? आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी. We have 4 Vedas: Samveda, Yajurveda, Rig Veda, and Atharv Veda. So this particular subject is believed to be originated from 4th Veda, that is known as Atharv Veda. The Veda which deals with mechanics, which deals with mathematics, which deals with science, which deals with sculpture, right? And that is the reason it is called Vedic mathematics. And second, what does that word Vedic means? Vedic means ocean of knowledge. So Vedic is entire knowledge basically, right? And now before going to the definition, who is the person who gave us this beautiful, this magical subject? So he is none other than our Bharti Krishna Tiraji Maharaj. He was a Shankaracharya at Govardhan Peeth, which is in Orissa, India, right? Yes, Samir and Samiza, it's for you. It is in India, Odisha, Govardhan Peeth. Sanjay?
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
So Bharti Krishna Tiraji Maharaj, he was a Shankaracharya at that Govardhan Peeth, where he wrote this subject, right? And he has written in his diary that I took all this knowledge from Atharv Veda, correct? Now, coming to the definition, a very simple, Vedic maths has a very simple definition. Vedic mathematics is what makes your mathematics simple, easy, and faster. Right. It is a collection of techniques. Now, what do you mean by techniques? Techniques are different methodologies, different methods, different concepts. Or we can say it as formulas. And in particularly when we talk about Vedas or Vedic mathematics, we call it as sutras. So it is a collection of techniques or formulas or sutras which makes our mathematic calculation easy, faster, and simple. Right? Any question you have? Now, how many sutras do we have? So we have 16 sutras, or we can say 16 formulas and 13 sub-formulas or 13 sub-sutras. Where can we use this Vedic mathematics? Now, people have a misnomer. Where can we use? See, we can use in arithmetics, we can use in algebra, we can use in conics, we can use in calculus, we can use in trigonometry, geometry, and even organic chemistry. Right? So, Vedic maths is called because it has been originated from Vedas. Swami Bharti Krishna Tiraji Maharaj gave us this subject, and Vedic maths is a collection of techniques, sutras or formulas which makes mathematics easy, faster, and simple. Any questions now? Yes, anyone has any question now?
No, sir.
Yes, Flavia, do you have any question? Alok?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
I'm following.
Right. So now there is so much of the subject is talked so much. There is so much of hype. If you open a Facebook or if you open a Google, you see Vedic mathematics, Vedic mathematics. Every ad is of Vedic mathematics today. Why is it so? Why is there so much of hype regarding this subject? Anyone? Yes, Apeksha?
It makes your like calculation faster. We can give answer in a second.
Okay.
Why?
So as per you, it
So
is
now in this generation, everyone wants to become a human calculator like this.
great. Okay. Yes, Samir and Sumiza. आपको समझ आ रहा है? हिंदी में बोलना पड़े. आप नेपाल से हो ना?
You can understand.
Yes, Sanjay. Alok.
Yes, sir. I'm understanding, sir. Keep going.
You are understanding. I asked you a question now. Why is so much of hype of this subject? इतना क्यों लोग आप भी जैसे आज आए हैं सीखने के लिए क्यों ऐसा लगता है Vedic maths is so important?
I think it makes calculation very easier.
Okay.
And one of my teacher has posted, I think a month ago, he has workshop in this topic, Vedic mathematics. I think it was
Okay.
in Kathmandu.
Yeah,
So,
Kathmandu, I gave a workshop. I gave in 3-4 schools. I gave in Viratnagar. I gave in.
And I follow him.
Okay.
So I was also interested in this topic.
Okay.
And another point is one of my colleague is teaching here. I'm teaching in upper class 9 and 10, and a student is in class 5, I think, here in our school.
Mm-hmm.
And he has just came this year from India. Earlier he has studied in India, and he talked about this Vedic mathematics. He's very active in math. My colleague said that he can easily
There is a
calculate.
reason behind it. See, there is a reason behind it. Why students are not good in mathematics in Nepal is you have allowed calculators to calculate. Now that is not in India. See,
So yes, sir. Yes, sir.
that is the biggest reason. When you allow calculators, why will they do calculations with mind? So today I'll remove that fear and you will be more faster than the human calculator. Yes. Okay. Now coming to the point, this is one major point. Why Vedic mathematics? Why should we learn Vedic mathematics? So very first reason is it helps to solve mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. Now, this was the answer everybody gave. I want to know the behind the scene. Why does it happen? You are clear. You are right, Apeksha. Yes, it increases our speed. Sanjay, it increases the speed. But why does it happen? Why does speed increases with the subject? So what is the reason behind that?
Because of that techniques only, na?
Okay.
Sir, we do so much practice of sum, so that is why we get used to of those formulas.
So why don't we do practice in mathematics? We have been doing mathematics, even if we talk about 10th up till 10th class, 9 years we do practice of mathematics. Still we have we make silly mistakes in subtraction, we make silly mistakes in addition.
There are sutras, so they makes our answer easy. We can get it in faster, very faster.
Okay.
There you have to write all the step by step everything, and with the help of Vedmatic, we should not, we can't don't have to do so much.
Okay.
So there are some formulas only with the help of we can do faster.
Okay. Now, I'll tell you one major reason. Okay, how do you write up anything? You always write from left to right. How do you read a paper, read a book, or read magazine? Left to right, correct? Yes, anyone
Yes,
who does opposite to that? So you read as well as write this way. Now, you all are sitting at your home. Please see in front of you. There might be a cupboard, there might be a almirah, there might be a door, anything in front of you. At first instance, you'll be able to see the objects placed on the left-hand side and then on the right-hand side. This might be in fraction of seconds, but it happens the same way. This is how our eyes coordinate with our brain. Everything we do left to right. Why mathematics opposite? Yes. Why do we do maths opposite? Why do we go from right to left? Yes, Apeksha, Khushbu, Flavia, Alok, you're teaching mathematics.
Sir, it will start from the opposite side, so we will always get wrong answers. So that
Sure.
is why. So that carrying numbers, so that is why if we'll start from this way, so we will get wrong answer because we are always carrying this side. So if we'll start from the
Just remember this answer for another 15 minutes. I will not answer you.
सर
You
सेम
will see the
क्वेश्चन
difference.
ये सेम क्वेश्चन मुझे भी है सर कि व्हाई कि स्कूल्स ने हमें क्यों ऐसे सिखाया लेफ्ट टू राइट क्यों गए हम आई डोंट नो
And this is the reason why your mathematics is slow. So Vedic maths will give you an opportunity to either calculate from left to right or right to left. That is the reason why your speed increases. You will see, I'll not give you right now reason, you will experience and you'll tell me back. So this is one reason why speed gets increased. Now, second reason, it is for all the female candidates. So we have more female today. Now, what happens when your maid is absent? Are you able to complete your household work easily in less time or in more time? जब आपकी मेड एब्सेंट होती है तो आप जल्दी काम खत्म कर लेते हैं या देर लगती है? Okay, I'll put it in time. When you are not dependent on anyone, you have to see, if you have to do one work and you are not depending on anyone, then the work is able to, you are able to do that work in less time or more time. Dependency always increases time. If you are dependency increases time.
yeah.
Right. Now in Vedic maths, you are not dependent on even paper and pen.
Increase time.
You don't need paper, don't need pen. All the calculations you can do maximum, not all, I would say, maximum calculations can be done mentally or in a very few steps. So when you are independent of paper and pen, your speed is automatically increased. Got it? This is the second reason why speed increases, because you are not dependent on anyone. I'll give you this examples we'll all study today. So whatever queries you'll be having, you can ask. Now, the third important reason is visualization. See, all the process, whenever we do calculations, we start visualizing. Okay, a question for everyone. 576 multiplied by 121. How will you solve? Apeksha. Flavia. Yes, tell me. What would
Sir,
be
if
the
I'll
first step?
use a Bacchus method, then 576 is multiplied by 121. So 576 multiplied by 1, then 576 multiplied by 2, then 576 multiplied by 1.
Okay.
We will go from the right side only.
Okay.
Sorry, left to right only, but with the help of a Bacchus method only.
No, now abacus, everybody is not carrying a tool in the classroom. Everybody is not carrying a tool in the examination hall. So we'll say you will go by this way, 576, 121. So first with 1, 6, 7, 5, then with 2 and all. Yes, Khushbu, sorry, Khushi, how will you solve it?
So same way.
Yes, Flavia,
Then with 2.
first with 1, second with 2, third with
Yeah.
1. Yes,
Oh my
Samiza. Sanjay.
It's the same traditional way.
Anyone has a different way to attempt? Anyone? Okay. Again, I will not answer you right now. This answer, you will give it to me after 15 minutes. Now, what happens in Vedic mathematics? You start visualization. Everything, whatever you do, you try to keep in your mind. That is known as you visualize. Then you find a reason behind it, and then you apply logic. VRL, visualization, reasoning, and logic. If any person has these three qualities in life, visualization, reasoning, and logic, you'll change your lifestyle. I often call Vedic mathematics as life-changing process. Now, why do I call it? Do you remember when your children or your kids are fighting? What do you say? Calm down first and then think. So what does that mean? Calm down first and then think. That is, shant hoke visualize karo. Just visualize what is the issue. Same is the point. You need to, when you start visualization in your life, you come across any situation in your life, you will first visualize that problem. Then you will find a reason behind it, and then you will apply a logic. In maths also, you will start visualizing the numbers. Then you will find a reason what has to be applied, and then you will apply that logic. On the same question, you will only apply. I will not give you a hint even. And remember, you all would be able to do it. So these three things, when become active, visualization, reasoning powers, and logics, your speed, your brain, everything will start moving fast. Right? Fourth reason. Now, when we are doing these calculations mentally, we said, yes, we can do calculations mentally. Yes. What is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11? That is nothing but 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. Now, same, you will be able to do it. means when I'm doing the calculations mentally, that means some part of the calculations I am keeping in my intellect. Yes or no? What happens? Both your left brain as well as your right brain, they become active. Who are the people who have their left brain active? People who are more logically stronger. And right brain is active for the people who are more oriented towards arts, music. So with Vedic maths, both these brains get activated. And when your both brains get activated, you will always start doing faster. Correct. This is what is required in life if you're using both of your brains. So these are the 4 basic reasons why our speed gets increased. You will not find these reasons in any of Google also. See, there are certain things behind the scene. So these are the reasons which you'll have behind the scene. Any doubt, any question you have regarding this? Yes, Apeksha,
No, sir.
Flavia. See, one thing I'll
No.
warn you. Don't take it that way, but yes, today I'm taking your class. You are all teachers. But tomorrow when you'll take your class of students, they'll ask you a number of questions. So be prepared. Whatever is coming in your mind, don't think that the other person might be laughing at me. Nobody will laugh at you. You all are here to learn something new. So think this way, I don't know anything. Let me ask. So any and every question should be asked.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Shivan.
Yes, sir, 576 multiply 1 to 1. How we can do by Vedic maths?
करेंगे अभी 10 मिनट में करेंगे. आप करोगे, मैं बिना बताए आप करेंगे.
Okay, sir.
What's your name? Shivani.
Yes, Shivani Chawla.
अच्छा, आपने अभी रजिस्टर किया, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, anyone else? Any question? Alok, Sanjay?
Sir,
No,
in
sir.
Vedic math, can we, like, if anyone is asking us some particular any sum, so can we give answer in a second, like we are, hearing from everywhere?
Yes,
In Vedic
you
math,
can
they
give.
give-
Today, see, I'll tell you one thing. Now, maths is what comes with practice. Maths, you cannot watch a TV or you can watch a video and you'll be learning everything. No. Your brain will say, yes, I know this thing. But until and unless you practice, now what happens? Every answer is different. Even if you change a slight number, the answer would be entirely different. Or maybe the pattern might be different. So you need a practice. So today we'll solve 100 questions minimum. And after that practice, you'll feel that particularly those concepts you can do much faster than a calculator. But that's not sufficient. There are so many topics, there are so many concepts, like it took so many years to learn mathematics. So for Vedic maths, we need at least 3 months time. Okay, I shared you a group. I shared you when you registered, there was a message, congratulations, you received the book, and I shared you a group. Did you see that group?
Yes, sir. I see.
Did you see the homework submitted by Inderjeet
Yes.
Jolly?
Yes, yes.
How was that?
It was very nice, and they have done
Now,
it very.
what do you predict? See, if a person is dedicatedly doing that homework, see, I am also teaching from past 2 years, 3 years. I've seen number of students. She's a teacher from, I think, Ludhiana or Amritsar, I don't know. What dedication she is putting in her work, we can see. That means she's clearing each and every doubt. So that is required. Now, when we'll do this program, today also I'll be giving you some homework. Now, why is that homework? So that your doubt should be get cleared. But people think, oh, I know everything. I'm also a teacher. And this is where we fail. Since, to become any graduate or to become any trainer, you need a certification, you need time. But the most simplest today is to become a Vedic math trainer. Why? Because if you know two concepts, you say, yes, I am a trainer. Point is not you know two concepts. The point is, are you confident yourself that you can do everything? So what is Vedic mathematics? It is a journey of transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence. So that means our duty is to remove the fear of maths from the kids. But very first thing, is that fear removed from us? If we are fearing to ask a question, if we are fearing to think, how will it happen? So second major thing, see, Vedic maths gives you these two things. One is a transformation journey, and the second is you attain a feeling that, yes, I can. And in your life, if you have this feeling, I can, then what is impossible? Okay, let's not, so any doubt in these 4 points, what we discussed? Okay, then take out your paper and pen and let's start calculations. Again, I would expect everybody to answer because then only you'll be learning so many things. Yes, this might be an easy concept for all those who have done seminars earlier also, who have attended, because this is a very common concept taken, but I'll give you the background behind it and I'll tell you more about it, right? So not limiting to that particular thing. The first topic we'll take is multiplication with 11 and its multiples. Do you know how magical this number is, 11? If you just multiply this magical number with any single digit number, that single digit number is written twice. Correct? Yes or no? Have you thought about this magic? Now, what happens when this number is written with a 2-digit number? What if 11 is multiplied by 13 or 12? Does that magic remains? Now, how do we calculate? 13, 11, 1, 3, 0, 1, 3. We say it is 1, 4, 3, right? Anyone has a different way? Now see the Vedic mathematics way. We have 11 on one side. So this is becomes first digit as it is, last digit as it is, and in between add the two numbers. So 1 plus 3 is 4.
Okay.
26. 2 as it is, 6 as it is, in between 2 plus 6 is 8. So 286. And what we do, we keep on doing the two twice, we do the multiplication and then we do addition. So what is 33 into 11? Yes, Khushbu, Shivani.
393.
3, 9.
Sorry, 363.
Sorry, sir, 363.
Okay, Flavia, Alok, Samir. Samiza, please come on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so 363. Yes, and everybody got it, the answer. It was the most simplest one. आप दोनों को समझ आया, समीर?
Yes, sir.
43 into 11 क्या होता है, समीर?
363.
43 into 11.
473.
Yes, be fast. You will understand why I am asking so many questions. So 43 becomes 473. 52, what is the answer?
572.
572.
572. 572.
71 into 11.
781.
781.
80 into 11.
780. Oh, sorry. 880.
880. Now see what is happening. I'll tell you one thing. First digits as it is. After that, we put a balancing line. Now, what is this line?
573.
This is known as
573.
balancing line.
73. 572. 781. 1.
Now, what does this balancing line mean? See, this line has no physical
80.
use, but
80.
this is very important in Vedic maths. Entire Vedic mathematics work on this principle. If you understand this balancing line, what is the use? The use of balancing line is that you keep desired number of digits in this box. Now, for this, you need to remember the old concept. If you remember place-wise positioning, place-wise concept, you remember? How many digits you can have at unit place?
1.
How many digits at tens position?
Also 1.
1. 100 position?
1.
1. So that means at every position we can have only one digit. So this is what it holds. So if this line, it just distinguishes or it makes a difference between unit place, tens place, 100 place, and further. And to maintain that there is only a single digit. See an example. 36 into 11. It is 396.
1.
Correct? Any
Yes.
doubt?
2.
Yes, Flavia, do you have anything to say? Okay. What about 37 into 11?
This will become 10. Then we have to shift one number to this.
Yes. So this is 3, 10, 7. Now I just told you this is unit place, one digit. Okay, correct. Can we have two digits at tens position? It is not possible. It is against the laws, against the rules. So if you remember these two things, place,
No, sir. No.
positioning,
Clear.
and balancing line, entire Vedic maths is simple as 1, 2, 3 or ABC. So this extra digit we just shift towards our left hand side. So this 3 plus 1 becomes 4 and the answer is 407. Correct? Any doubt? Okay.
No.
So what is 39 into 11 then? Fast.
429, sir.
429. Perfect. See, 3, 12, 9. So now always remember, if there is a carryover in between, it would be always 1. Nothing more than that. Because adding 2 digits can give us
4.
maximum carryover of 1. 46 into 11.
506.
506.
506. 67 into 11.
429.
737.
7, sir. 737.
82 into 11 now.
90.
Yes, Alok, you are not answering. Are you getting? Alok, Shivani, Sanjay, Shilpa,
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
any question you have, Sanjay?
I'm getting, sir.
506.
संजय
506.
मैथ भूल जाओगे अगर सिर्फ सुनोगे. You have to do it also. You'll never forget
Yes,
it.
sir.
It will do.
Yes, sir. I'm writing here. Writing here.
Do you have any question?
No, it's okay, sir.
84
have
into 11
already-
क्या होता है? Sanjay, 84 into 11.
737.
84 into 11.
Hmm.
924.
924. Yes, Alok. Are you doing? Alok. Okay. So what is 87 into 11?
1 to 1.
957.
Who gave 1 to 1? 87 into 11.
957.
957. Anyone has any doubt now? Please ask me so that we can move further.
92.
Yes, Flavia.
9.
You are getting some disturbance? Your voice is not audible. I'm not able.
956. 957.
Okay. So what is the largest two-digit number?
99.
99.
Yes, Flavia, what is the largest two-digit number? What is 99 into 11?
Yes, it's clear. I got the answer.
So what is 99 into
No,
11?
no. It's clear. Oh.
कौन बोल रहा है ये बीच
No,
में?
sir, it's clear. I got the correct answer.
What is 99 into 11 then?
Sir, 1089.
1089.
Okay. So any doubt between numbers 11 to 99? Any two-digit number? Any doubt?
99.
No, sir.
99.
What happened 99?
One-
Flavia कोई और बैठा है वहां, कुछ और आवाज आ रही है अभी.
1089.
Yes. Any?
1089.
Yes, it is clear. Any doubt now?
So maybe there is network issue.
Okay. So any doubt now? Okay. So let's move for three-digit numbers, the bigger numbers. Now what is 1, 2, 3 into 11 then? What is 1, 2, 3 into 11? Any guesses? Okay, just see.
1, 3,
First,
5.
as it,
3.
second, 3. 1 plus 2 becomes 3. 2 plus 3 becomes 5. And 3 as it is.
No, sir.
1, 3, 5, 3. Clear? If you are if you are facing difficulty in the network, you can chat. You can ask your questions there and answer also there. Right? Yes, Shivani, is it clear? Sanjay?
Sir, 1, 2, 3 into
Yes, sir.
11.
Clear हो गया शिवानी?
Sir, repeat again.
First देखिए 1 as it is, first digit. Then first plus second digit को add किया. What is 1 plus 2?
3.
3 आ गया. Then what is 2 plus 3?
5.
Then what is the last digit?
3.
So 1, 3, 5, 3.
Okay, sir.
See, now I'll just clear. For two-digit numbers, it was D1, D1 means digit 1. Then D1 plus D2 and D2. Correct? For this is 2-digit numbers. For 3-digit numbers, it will become D1 plus D2,
5. 5.
then D2 plus D3,
3.
and D3. Right? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any question you have now?
D2.
Here. So now what is 2, 4, 1 into 11? Fast. Just try fast. Try to, without use of paper and pen, try to do it. 2, 6, 5, 1.
2651.
651.
See, just try without pen and you'll find the difference in yourself. Okay. So what is 2, 3, 6 into 11?
2 8 2 5
Correct? 9.
9 6.
2, 5,
Very good.
5, 6.
Okay. 1, 2, 1 into 11. Fast.
1 3 3 1.
161.
So Sanjay, you are getting. Now Sanjay, just take out the calculator.
2,
Try to
6,
type
5, 1.
121 into 11.
2, 6, 5, 1.
Yes. Sanjay,
What's
try
that?
type on the calculator this 121 into 11. You are much faster than the calculator. Yes or no?
I think, sir.
You will be. Because the bigger the number, faster you are. Okay. 2, 4, 2 into 11. Yes, everyone. Please try.
2
1,
6
3,
6 2.
3, 1.
262.
2662.
1, 3, 3, 1.
Who is giving 1, 3, 3, 1? I think they are
It's 2
lagging.
6 6 2.
2, 6, 6, 2. Okay. Yes, Samir and Samina.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you answer one question.
Okay, sir.
3, 6, 3 into 11. Fast, fast, fast.
3, 9.
2, 2, 6, 6, 2.
Yes, Samina, Samiza, please tell me. 3, 6, 3 into 11.
399.
993.
Very good. So you got the concept? 3, 6,
Yes, sir.
3 into 11. 3, 9, 9, 3. Okay, here
6, 6,
we were not having carryovers. Let's see now carryovers. 2, 4, 6 into 11.
2706.
Very good.
706.
2706.
2 as it is, 2 plus 4 is 6 and 1 I'll be getting carryover. So that gives the answer. 2, 5, 8 into 11.
2
Yes, Apeksha.
8 2838.
I think you clicked that point. You understood that whenever the carryover will come, it will be then.
3.
Right. So this is what you have to take hold of. 298 into 11.
2 2 7 8.
3188.
Now, not every
2,
time.
7, 0, 6.
3
7.
This will also go here. 3, 2, 7, 8.
Yes, sorry.
No issues.
2, 8, 3, 8.
Is it clear now? Any doubt? Okay. 4397 into 11.
Four two.
Yes,
467.
yes, everybody. Samir, you got it? Samir,
3,
Shivani,
4367.
3278.
So everybody got the answer or not?
Sir, 4 3.
4367.
So 3, 12, 16, 7. So that means 4, 3, 6, 7. Clear? Any doubt? Anyone has any doubt? Please tell me now. Okay.
4267.
4, 3, 6,
4267.
2 will go here. Spanning check. It would be 4, 3.
4267.
Shivani 4, 3. Please listen also.
4, 3,
Yes, sir. 4367.
367.
Okay, 555 into 11.
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer? 555 into 11.
6105.
Anyone has any questions now?
Six 6105.
6105.
Okay. Eight, 7, 8 into 11. Yes, Amir, give the answer.
Yes, sir.
What is 878 into 11?
8658.
No. 8, it will never remain 8 because it is adding also.
6105.
9 6
6105.
How 0?
9 6 5 8.
So, who said 6105? Sorry, this is 9. Yes. Flavia, yes. 9658. Okay, so what is the largest 3-digit number?
9999.
So what is 999 into 11? Please hurry up. And you should give your answers on the chat so that I should see who is doing correct. Now this is mixing. Please send your answer.
9658.
Please send your answer on chat so that I should.
9658.
That's correct, Flavia. That's already gone. Now we are at 999. Very good. Khushi, correct. Yes, Samir, what is the answer? Please write on the chat. Very good. Flavia, what is the answer?
999.
Yes, come on, come on. Apeksha, done. Sanjay, left. Alok, you are not attending the class. So should I remove it? There is no use of switching on the camera and going if you're not answering. Okay. So it is 9, 10, 10, sorry, 18, 18, and 9. So that means 109.
10989.
Correct.
Road, sir, 10989.
Yes. Perfect. So this was
10989.
Yes, ma'am. Let's move further. 4-digit numbers. Very fast is again the simple 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11. So what is the answer? Can you just think over it now? Yes, Samir.
13574.
135.
74.
One
who-
zero five seven four.
Who all are able to calculate this? Yes, Kushi, you did it.
Yes, I told you also.
Very good. So see now, are you fast or calculator? You tell me, you type, you try on the calculator. Yes, Flavia, you check it. Are you fast or calculator? And you people have a doubt on yourself.
135,357.
Then last,
7,
then
74.
yes, Alok. Okay, Alok is not there. Sanjay,
Yes, sir.
did you get this answer or not?
I have already told you, sir.
I'm sorry then. I could not make out who is telling and who is not telling. Is it harm in repeating again?
No, no, sir, no.
This shows arrogance. Okay, 2, 4, 2, 4 into 11. Yes, come.
26664.
264.
264.
So just try with calculator, na? You'll very well understand that you are faster than the calculator. So why using calculators? Yes, Apeksha, any doubt?
No, sir.
Shivani,
No, sir.
समझ आ रहा है? कुछ भी ऐसा लगा जो अभी तक डाउट हो?
Not it, sir.
Not yet. Very good. And you will not have it. See, Vedic maths is very beautiful subject. The only thing is you should understand the basics. Don't jump. Go on basics. You will understand everything. Flavia, any doubt?
6, 4.
Okay. So again, 6, 7, 8, 7 into 11. Now this is, you cannot do it mentally. You have to write one step. I agree. But again, you are much faster than the normal method. Yes, what is the answer?
73657.
74657.
657.
So 74657.
Okay, 6, 13, 15, 10, 15, 10, 7. So that means 7,
No.
4, 6, 5, 7. Very good, Flavia. You're doing marvelous. See, if you are able to do this, then Vedic maths is very simple. You have to move with that speed. Correct. So any questions you have? Okay, one last in 4 digit and we'll move further. 36963 into 11. Sorry, it is 4 digit. Sorry, into 11.
74657.
We have reached the next one.
406593.
Got it? 40656.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, any question you have? Okay. So let's conclude 4 digit also. What is the largest 4 digit number?
5 to 6.
9.
So what is 999 into 11? Please do it.
One zero nine 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 nine.
Very good.
Yeah,
406.
19989.
Very good. So
Yes.
Now you should congratulate yourself. You are doing good, better than the calculator. Right. So you can do it. See, if in one concept you can beat the calculator, you'll be able to beat in every concept. Yes, Kushi, now you feel you can do it.
Yes, sir.
9, 9, 9, 9.
Okay. So when I started, I asked you this question: what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11? And nobody responded. Now you can answer 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
everybody can
Yes.
answer this now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Samir.
Yes,
1,
sir.
2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. क्या होगा?
1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Okay. Yes, everybody has done.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
5
sir.
digit. Do you know? Now this is just a 5-digit number. You are all able to do it. Do you know Shakuntala Devi? Yes.
Yes,
How many
sir.
of you know Shakuntala Devi? So she did
1, 3,
14
5,
digits together.
7,
Yeah.
9, 5.
She could add 14 digits together. We are just adding 5 digits right now. See, that is what now you after that you need a bit practice. But first thing, a confidence. Yes, I can do it. If you have this feeling, nothing is impossible for you. Everyone can do it. It is such a easy subject. Okay. Let's practice 1 or 2 questions, then we'll move further. 24642 into 11.
Yes.
Two one one zero two. 21102.
Okay.
27106.
So 271062.
27106.
So 2, 6, 10, 10, 6, 2. So that means 2, 7, 1, 0, 6, 2. Correct? Great, Flavia, doing good. Anyone has any doubt now? Okay. 36963 into 11. Please do it. See, this is the last question. If you have any doubts, you can ask me now because after this, we'll go for a test. And everyone has to answer separately.
406593.
2, 7, 1, 0, 6, 2,
406593.
1, 0.
How can it be 2?
Three zero seven.
So 1 will go this, so it will become 10, means 0. So 4, 0, 6, 5, 9, 3. So please see to it. If it is 3 at the on the leftmost part, it will not go down, it will increase only. So it is 4, 0, 6, 5, 9, 3. Correct? So now any question, because we'll have a test now. Whatever question you have regarding this 11 multiplication, you can ask me now. Yes, Apeksha.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Yes, Khushi.
No doubt, sir.
Samira. Samir and Samiza, sorry.
Doubt, sir.
See, we'll have a test now. So then don't say we didn't understand this. Flavia. Shivani.
No doubt, sir.
Alok. Okay. Sanjay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, before the test, let me ask you 2 questions. What did you observe in this? What was new in this? Any observations you made?
The formula was new.
Yes, Apeksha, what was the observation? समीर, क्या नया सीखा, क्या नया था इसमें? सॉरी,
The
Sir,
new
like rule that balancing rule we were doing.
Yes,
okay,
sir, it's clear.
great. What else? Okay, let me ask other way out. What was the question? What was the topic we started with?
Multiplying numbers by
Multiplication with 11.
Where did you multiply then? Where did you multiply?
We did
Yes,
from right to left.
okay. Now, yes. So where did we multiply? Please answer. See, I'll tell you. I'll give you a hint. Now, when we teach a child in the early class, 2 into 3 is 6, and initially a child does not know what this cross means. Then you say multiplication is repetitive action of addition, and you start this 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. Right? This is how you teach. So what do you say? Multiplication is repetitive action of addition.
Here we are doing from left to right.
But great. But did we do repetitive action of addition? My first question was 13 into 11. So did we add it 13 11 times?
Didn't multiply.
No, sir.
Neither we multiplied, neither we added. So what we did, it was something new with what we did. So what we did was adding corresponding digits. And this is how entire Vedic maths works. Why I'm saying corresponding digits? Say for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you add 1 and 5? Did you add 2 and 5? Did you add 3 and 5? No. You added 1 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 5. So you were adding only corresponding digits. Am I
digits
correct
only.
here?
Yes, sir.
Now, what second thing you observed? Very important thing. I asked somebody to hold down to remember their words, their statement. So in the life, first time you did calculations from left to right. Just check. How are you doing this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You were doing 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. Can you do the reverse in the faster way? Khushi, I think you said something regarding this. Yes, Apeksha. Now can you do left to right in the faster way?
Sir, if we add numbers from left to right, then also we are able to solve it faster.
Agreed. I do want see we were doing left to right only. Now just try with that method you have been following. See how we are doing maths. We are doing from right to left.
Yeah, but in the same case, if I start from the right to left also, then also we are able to solve the fast also. Like 5, then 9, then 7, then
Don't see this
5.
answer. Don't see
then
this answer. Don't see this answer. Think on second question. Your mind will calculate. Yes, you are able to calculate, but not as faster as left to right. I'm just telling you the comparative study. I told
Okay.
you initially only both the ways it is possible. See, I'm not denying
Yes,
the
sir.
fact that you cannot do from right to left. I'm not denying that fact. I'm just comparing speed of left to right is much faster than right to left. And left to right, you tried once only in your lifetime. Today only you learned. You have never done this
Yes, sir.
before. So the
Yes, sir.
methodology we have been following since years, that became slow, and the methodology we learned just now became fast. This is what I mean to say. Yes, Shivani, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Khushi, Flavia,
Yes, sir, clear.
तो अब समझ आया कि लेफ्ट टू राइट और राइट टू लेफ्ट में कितना डिफरेंस आ जाता है. क्योंकि लेफ्ट
Yes.
टू राइट कैलकुलेशंस आप इजी कर सकते हैं, आपका माइंड चलता है कि यस एक कैरी ओवर आएगा, उसमें कैरी ओवर आगे जाना है, वो थोड़ा सा स्लो होगा, राइट? So these were the two major things. One was adding the corresponding digits and second was adding. Okay. So now let's turn to the test. My first question is 141 into 22. Yes. How will you solve Apeksha now? And Shivani?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
1551.
Who gave the answer?
Answer is 3102.
Okay. How? How do you do it?
First multiply with 11 and then double it like this.
Why? Who asked you to do this way? Did I say? What was your answer when you started with the workshop? Apeksha, are you getting my point? When you started with the workshop, your idea was this. You told that we can solve like this only. Now you are saying 141 into 11 into 2, correct? And this becomes 1551 and this is 2 and this becomes 3102, correct? Are you, this is what you said?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
this was not mentally possible. This is mentally possible. And but why did you change your approach within half an hour?
Because of you, sir.
No, it's not because of me. It is because of visualization. Now you visualize that 22 is related somewhere to 11. Yes, others.
Hi.
Anyone else who realized this thing? Yes. Nine. Okay. Now there was one more answer to this. It was 141 into 2 into 11. So it was 282 into 11. So it was 3102. Now, Apeksha, again I'll ask you one question. Whatever you did was good.
Sir, ரொம்ப ஸ்லோவா இருக்குடா நமக்கு.
Shivani?
பேசுறது
Right,
அவங்க
sir,
கேட்கவே
actually.
Yes, Samir, you are not giving the answer. What happened now? Sanjay,
Yes, sir.
आपको
Yes,
नहीं
sir,
समझ
yes, sir.
आया?
I am understanding, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
How we can do 141 into 222 directly?
Who is asking? I'm not getting.
Sir, how we can do 141 into 22?
That is what I am telling.
Sir, directly.
Directly कैसे करेंगे mentally? यही method होगा mentally दिमाग में लाना. What is 22? It is a multiple of 11. So either you can multiply with 2 first or you can multiply with 11 first. So either this way or that way only. This can be done mentally. You cannot do directly 22. No way. इतना भी आपकी practice नहीं हुई.
Okay, sir.
But even this way you can do mentally. Now my question is again, which is better, this one first or second?
Second one.
Why?
Because it is more easier than first one, because multiply with the small number is more
Who
easier
is-
than bigger
मेरे को
number.
I could not relate. Who is answering this?
Apeksha.
अपेक्षा आपके ऊपर वो क्यों नहीं आता है green? I'm not getting. It does
I
not.
don't
happen.
know, sir.
Okay, Apeksha. So why then you gave first one answer?
There is no reason, sir. Actually, I just thought of like this, so
See,
I didn't know.
No worries at all. Whatever you thought was correct.
Second.
Started See,
Second one.
that is what was required. See, maths does not mean
Smaller
just
number. We are multiplying with the smaller number.
मैथ्स डज नॉट मीन कि जस्ट देखा वीडियो और हमें आ जाएगा, नहीं होगा ऐसे. इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा था प्रैक्टिस. एंड यू आर करेक्ट, बट हियर the answer is second is more appropriate. Why it is more appropriate? I'll give you the reason. Practically, I'll show you why I said ki it is more appropriate. Now, let's say it's not 22, it is 99. Let's say it was 99. Now, if it was 99, 141 into 11, okay. Here, if it was 9, 1551 into 9 is easy, or 141 into 9 is easy. This is the question.
141 into 9.
Second one.
Yes. So always remember, whenever you have multiple of 11, first multiply with a multiplier. Later multiply with 11, because 11 you can multiply even 10-digit number, 20-digit number, but you cannot multiply easily with other number. Is it clear now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Apeksha, in this case, both were correct, but ideal situation is second one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone got the answer or not? Anyone who has a doubt, please ask me right now. Okay. So what is
Second one.
576 into 121 then? Yes, Flavia, Shivani. What is 576 into 121, please?
Yes, sir.
What happened?
Yes, sir.
Everybody shocked. I don't want the answer first. First, tell me the method.
576 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 11.
So that means 576 into 11 is
So 9,
6336 into 11. So that is 69696. How fast you
Yes.
can do it? And
Yes.
and this was the question what I asked you initially before when we started. If you remember, this was what we wrote the question 576 into 121, and I said visualization effect. Now see what is happening now. You are visualizing the numbers. You are able to find, you visualize the number 121. You find the reason. Yes, it is 11 into 11. So you apply the logic. Applying with 11 concept is the best one. So this is known as visualization, reasoning, and logic.
11 into 12.
11 into 12 is 132, not
Into?
11, 121. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has a doubt, please ask me now, because we'll move to another topic now. Any questions you have? Now, initially I told you, I don't like the word trick. It was a trick if it was applicable on only 11. So see now it is applicable on 11, 22, 33, 99, 121 also. Further also you can do. The only thing is you need to understand this. Now, when we started with the question 13 into 11. Then I said 123 into 11. Then we did 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. Why this 11 is keeping constant? Why not I am doing 1, 2, 3 into 111? Why I am not doing 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4 times 1? Done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 5 times 1. Why not? Did we ever thought of it? Yes? Can we do this or not? Can we do? Now see. 1, 2, 3 into triple 1. What will happen now? See, nobody asked me one simple question. Now this is where the difference comes between a workshop of a child and the workshop of a teacher. Nobody asked me, sir, why you are making pairs? Nobody asked me, why 1 plus 2? Why not 1 plus 2 plus 3? Yes, anyone? You have this question in your mind or not? Yes, Apeksha, Shivani, Khushi. Why not? सर बहुत तंग कर रहे हैं, चुपचाप बताओ और जाओ, 2 घंटे होने वाले हैं, so please 2 घंटे में तो नहीं होता ये. Yes, tell me. Okay. See, there we were having 2 ones. So the maximum combination was a 2 digits. Here we have 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. So the maximum combination can be 3. So first 1, second 1 plus 2, third 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now we have reached the maximum limit. So what happens after that? Start reducing. 2 plus 3 and the last 3. Or I can show you another way to write. See, first 1, then 1 and 2, then 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, and 3. And how it is different from what we did earlier? Earlier we did 1, 2, 3 into 11. So it was 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 3. Because after 1 and 2, we cannot make third number along with it. So we shift it towards right. So here the answer is 1, 3, 6, 5, 3. And the here answer is 1, 3, 5, 3. The difference. Did you understand? Yes, Apeksha.
Yes, sir.
So that is why I say it is not a trick. Trick होती तो सिर्फ 11 पे काम करती, 111 पे नहीं करती, 222, 4 times 1 पे नहीं करेगी. Right. So this is how. So you should understand the concept. If the concept is clear, you can do any calculations. Yes, Shivani, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any question you have?
Sir, how we can do 16 into 12, like 16 into 13?
See, we can do it. But right now, everything, how many years you took to learn mathematics? Or even multiplication. How many years you took to learn multiplication?
The 30 years.
Now you want in 30 minutes, entire Vedic math should come to you. See,
Okay,
very
sir.
first thing, try to Shivani, I'll tell you. First, understand the use of Vedic mathematics, why we are doing this. Then we'll go for some concepts which will make you, now first doubt is cleared, left to right, your speed is faster. Without doing addition, multiplication, or without doing addition, we are able to do multiplication. Right? We changed our views. The way we were doing multiplication, we changed it. Not all of you could visualize, but some of you could visualize it. Coming to these 2-digit multiplication, that is also possible. See, in Vedic maths, we have so many ways to do same question. Now, tomorrow also, we'll do scaring. If you see my book, I have written 13 different techniques to find scares of numbers. Now you'll say, sir, ऐसे तो confuse हो जाएंगे. No, you cannot get confused, but rather you will love it. You have got so many methods to find the same scare. Now, let's be right now on this topic only. So any question regarding this? Yes, Khushi? Devya? Sanjay? Sanjay, any question regarding that? Okay. If it is not, let's practice 2, 3, 6 into 111. Please do it.
So the same technique can be followed.
26196.
So 26296.
So 2, 5, 9 and 2, 11. Then 9, 6. So 2, 6, 1, 9, 6. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, somebody was asking me. Sorry, I could not answer. Yes. You're saying some same technique could be? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 111. Yes, please. Tell me.
1370597.
इतना बड़ा नहीं होगा.
137974.
974.
So 1, 3, then 6, then
9.
we shift. So 9, 7, 4. So 1, 3, 6, 9, 7, 4. Yes, anyone was having a different answer. Let me make it very clear here. See, first single digit, then 1 and 2, then 1, 2, 3. Now after 1, 2, 3, you cannot add the fourth digit. So what you'll do? You shift. So shifting means 2, 3, 4, then 3, 4, then 4. So it is 1, 3, 6, 9, 7, 4. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has any question? Please ask me now. Okay. Coming to so please do. I'll be back within 1 minute.
Okay.
275949.
146 last.
Yes. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 2, 6, then 14, then
Then 18, 18,
18, then 14, then
14,
6.
then 6,
So 2, 7,
2,
5,
7, 5,
9,
1, 4, 6.
4, 6. Yes. So I think everybody is able to solve this. Now, do you think you are doing better than calculator? Or typing this on calculator is difficult task. You might face some, see, you can be a bit slow in adding, but always remember, okay, what will happen if it is only 2-digit number?
Sir, we will add 0.
14, 18,
Before 1,
18.
put 1 0.
Perfect.
14, 15, 6.
So first, if we put 0, that is the best thing. 0, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 2. Then 1, 2.
9.
Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any questions you have? Yes, any questions you have?
No, sir.
Okay. So now, okay, let's do the same one. 999 into 111.
So 109889.
9, 18, 27, 18, and 9. So this goes here. Now, here you have to be 18 plus 2, 20. So 11 would be here. Got it or not?
Sir, can you repeat this one? I didn't get it properly.
Okay, first digit will be
9.
then
Then again we will add 2 numbers, that is 18.
third,
3 digit, that is 27.
perfect. Then
Again we will add 2 number, that is 18. Then lastly 9.
okay. So if you see this, so can we have 18 here? No, I'll move this. So this will become 8.
8.
Now, if I move here 2, what is 18 plus 2?
20.
So 20, I'll have to leave 0 and 2 further, no?
Right. So
So 9
it's
plus 2 is?
11. Got it.
Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See, this is the important, very important balance. This is known as balancing. And if you understand this balancing, Vedic maths is very simple. Vedic maths is only the game of balancing.
3 numbers.
Right? Clear now? Okay, let's try some numbers of 4 with 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4 times. Now what you'll do? You can have a combination of 4 digits. See, this one will give you the
20.
permission of how many numbers can be added together. Okay. So 1, 1 and 2, then 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3 and 4, then 2, 3, 4, 3, 4 and 4. Clear? Please find the sum of this.
One three 70974.
Very good. Yes, anyone else? See, now you understand the concept. Any number of numbers can add. It's very easy for you. Okay, let's say if it is 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4 times 3, then also first multiply by 3. So it will be the 2. 1 goes here, 9 and 1, 10, 0, 7, 3, and into. Finish. Got it? Is it clear? Yes, Flavia. Your voice is not audible to me. Yes, Apeksha. Khushi.
Yes, sir.
Any
Clear.
doubt, any questions you have? Sanjay?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
I don't have it.
Sanjay, क्या हुआ?
Nothing, sir. I am getting it.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. Okay, Flavia, you can write down then. Because I thought you have some questions, so I asked you.
Yes, sir.
3, 6, 3, 6, 3.
Yeah, I'm having some network issues here.
5 ones. Can we do it? Yes, can we do it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please try. See, that means your concepts are clear. Once your concepts are clear, you can do any calculation. So my point is, make your concepts clear.
Sir, is the answer is 4040292993?
See, 3. Then 9. Then 12. Then 18.
18,
Then 21.
21,
Then
18,
then
12,
then
9, 9, and then 3.
so now you have to understand 3, 9, 2, 9, 1 goes here, 2, 20, 0, 4, 0.
Yes, my answer is correct, sir.
Very good. Clear? Anyone has any doubt now?
No, sir.
Now, okay. Now the first thing you do is save my number. If you have not saved, because I'll be sending you all the homework and everything through broadcast. So broadcast will happen only in WhatsApp if you have saved my numbers. If it is not saved, you will not receive the homework. So please save my number 7015761074. You'll be sent homework through this only and in broadcast. So it broadcast you'll receive only if you have saved in your address book. Okay. So any questions regarding this concept 11 and its multiples? Any questions?
No, sir.
Yes, everyone clear? Apeksha, Khushi, Shivani, Flavia.
Yes, clear, sir, clear.
Yes, clear.
Okay. The one who is Shilpa, Sanju, Shivani. Okay. Somebody is missing. Now, moving further, so this was the first advantage. Why should we learn Vedic mathematics? And the reason is because it helps to solve mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. Do you think your speed increased?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Yes, Shivani, do you think your speed increased?
Yes, sir.
Flavia? Anyone who feels no, my speed was not increased?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sanjay, speed
Yes,
increase
sir.
हुआ? Khushbu?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
हुआ? Shilpa, no answers. Okay. So this was the first reason why we should do Vedic mathematics. Now the second reason, before coming to the second reason, let me ask you, you might be teaching mathematics to your kids, if not in school, at least to your children. So what is the most fearful factor in mathematics? Yes, Flavia. What kids have fear from? Or what is the biggest fear in them for maths?
Calculation.
Yes,
Calculation is a broad category. What particularly?
Minus sign, sir.
Okay. Algebra is clear. Flavia, let's talk about class 1, class 2, class 3 first. Algebra would be coming in the 8th, 6th class above. But let me tell you, algebra, which you need three or four steps, here it can be solved in a single step, single line. For example, if it is x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3, x minus 4 into same. So that can be done in a single line. Multiplication, okay. What about tables? Yes, how many of you have a fear for tables? खुशबू आती है tables? Flavia, tables आते हैं? Shilpa, Sanjay. Okay, then सबको आता है तो let me ask you a question. How much time you need to write a table of 89?
calculation.
Apeksha, how much time? 89 का table. Voice gone. Yes, Shivani, how much time you need to write a table of 89?
Okay.
I'm not able to hear any one of you. So please, you can write your answer in chat so that you should know what answer you are giving. I want everybody to participate now. Yes, Apeksha, kitna time?
It will take much time, sir.
Much time ki definition, sir. How many minutes? 1 minute has 60 seconds. So how many minutes or how many seconds?
Yes, 5-6 minutes maybe.
5-6 minutes. Great. Okay. And yes, Shivani.
So at least 10 minutes.
Apeksha.
सर इसका मेथड मुझे पता है एक्चुअली दैट्स व्हाई जल्दी हो
कोई
जाएगा
बात नहीं, आपको दोनों मेथड्स पता है आपको, बाकी सारे टेबल्स के भी?
99 तक का पता है सर
नो. ओके. So that is what, see, जब आप ये सीख रहे थे 99 तक का, वो 99 तक लिमिट क्यों रखा आपने? अगर हम आज भी 11 तक करते, आई एम श्योर 11 का टेक्निक सबने किया था पहले. See, we should, that is why I am prompting you again and again to ask questions. Why are we restricting our knowledge? Why are we restricting our questions? So अगर आपने जब 99 सीखा था, आपको ऐसा सीखना चाहिए था कि unlimited, anybody say any number, we can do it. So that confidence should be there. And the kids, for children, this is the biggest fear factor. Okay, before that, let me, so this was what we did, 11 multiplication, everything, these notes you'll be getting. So for notes, you can download from that group. I'll be sharing you the link again. And test 564, 1. So we were actually adding the corresponding digits and not multiplying. And the calculations from left to right, rather right to left. So it is considered as a burden. Tables are always considered as a burden. So Vedic mathematics reduces that burden. See, I am taking these workshops from so many years, and what I have realized in the live classes also, I was in Nepal, I was in Yamuna, so many Indian schools. Even teachers find it difficult to remember the tables. Now, if you don't remember the tables, why do you ask students to cram it? Now, very first thing is you confuse a student. Parents, or even teachers, we all teach one thing. Beta, please understand the concept, then remember it, then learn it, and then remember it. Yes, this is how we teach. When it comes to mathematics, and when the teacher wants to remember the tables, they say, cram the tables. Now a small student get confused, a child get confused. What is correct? Understanding or cramming? Because it is very difficult to understand the tables. A teacher can ask 45 and immediately will ask 57 or 38. And I had so many teachers who told me their stories. Yes, it was the most fearful factor in their life. One teacher one day, she told me how she used to get canes in the early years. Now, definitely, we are not caning our kids, or in the school, caning is not allowed. But when we talk about mathematics teachers, so many students are getting punishment just because they are not able to cram the tables. Now, the question arises, why is it required? Why is the need to cram the tables when we have very simple concepts to understand the tables, to write the tables? Because we have given only the two options. Now we have given either cram the table. If it is 87, 87 ones are 87, 87 twos are 174, and after that we forget. It's not easy to remember cramming each and every table. Second concept, we say add the digits. 87 plus 87 becomes 174. Then add 87, then add 87, and it becomes a tough situation because so many carryovers. Why don't we offer them a very simple method? So today I'll be giving you a very easy method. After that, no student has fear for that tables. No burden is left behind. Right. So let's start. So we'll be learning tables in two concepts. First would be tables of numbers ending with 9. So what are the numbers ending with 9? 9, 19, 29, 39, 89, 119, 1219 or anything, any number ending with 9. So this would be the first concept we'll be learning for the numbers ending with 9. And the second concept is any general table, any 2, 3, 4, 5-digit table. Right? Okay, so let's start. So what is this? Yes, Apeksha, what is this?
Crisscross, I think. What?
See, I'll share you a video. When we do this concept with the kids, they are shouting and they are creating so much of voice, but you know, that is the way when you want students to interact in your class. When you want students to show interest in your class. Otherwise, maths has been so boring. See, when you start your workshops, I'll give you a tip. When you start with your kids' classes, now you think that, yes, I have to teach in a better way, in the best way. But are kids interested in that? So they want to enjoy first. They want games first. I'll show you a video where 85 students were there, and the first day I started with this table. And the next day when my counselor, she asked the kids, okay, what you learn today? They said, no, we'll not learn. We'll again play a game and then start. So you need to create that interest. So we won't do that game. That was just a joke. Okay, the first thing we'll do is we'll write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Starting from the rightmost corner, we'll go to the middle line and go to the top. Right. So everyone has done this? Up till here done? Now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tic-tac-toe.
Now, let's say we are going to do a table of 19. So let's complete 19 over here. And we'll use the first sutra of Vedic mathematics that is known as Ekadikena. Ekadikena Purvena. If you're not able to spell it, no worries. So I'll break EKA. That is Ekadikena. Dhikena. Ekadikena Purvena means one more than the previous. Now, one more than the previous translation is okay, but what is the mathematical meaning? Mathematical meaning is we add one more or add one to the previous number. So always remember whatever number we have before 9. Now here it is 19, so the number before 9 is 1. Just add 1 to it. So what is 1 plus 1? 2. If the question was 89, if the table was 89, I'll add 8 plus 1. That becomes 9. If the table was 119, then it will become 11 plus 1 as 12. Is it clear up till here how to use Ekadikena Purvena?
Okay, sir.
Now, what is to be done? Just this 2 to be added to this one and further. And the reverse way would be opposite. We'll go from first line to middle and then middle to below. So this we have to follow. So what is 1 plus 2? 3. What is 3 plus 2? 5. What is 5 plus 2? 7. 7 plus 2? 9. 9 plus 2? 11. 11 plus 2? 13. 13 plus 2? 15. 15 plus 2? 17. 17 plus 2, 19. That means it is correct. I put a 0 and finish. What is this? It is a table of 19. How many seconds we took? We hardly took 7 to 8 seconds in that. Yes, Apeksha. Is this method what you were talking about? खुशी
No, sir.
कैसे करना था? चलो वो भी अभी करते हैं, अभी देखते हैं. Yes, Shivani, Flavia. Sanjay, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Koi doubt? Shivani? Okay, let me give you another. Suppose it is 39. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I have to write 39. So what I'll get? 3 means I'll get a new number is 4. Ikadikena purvena, ek add kar diya. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 23, 27, 31, 35, 39. That is correct. How many seconds? Again, it's maximum. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Anyone
Yes,
has
sir.
a doubt?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has any doubt? Okay. If it is clear, please write down table of 29. And do let me know once done. Sanjay, clear हो रहा है?
Yes, sir. I'm doing.
Done, sir.
So, is it difficult?
No, sir.
Done, sir. Done.
Very good. So I asked you 89, and what was your answer, Sanjay?
It was 5 to 6 minutes, sir.
Now see, 89. So 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 9 is 26. 26 plus 9 is 35. 39 plus 35 plus 9 is 44. 53. 62. 71. 80. 89. How many seconds? Sanjay?
20.
Not 20. It was
15. 15 seconds,
so.
maybe.
Yeah. Then comparative to 7 minutes, 7 minutes means 420 seconds. So how much faster?
Need to calculate again.
So is it tough now?
No, no. It's easy.
Yes, everybody has done. Yes. Shivani, Flavia. See, the more you'll ask me, more I can answer you. Yes, everybody has done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give you one more easy question. Write the table of 99 then. So what you'll add this time? 10.
10.
And
So that is, I think, most easiest. 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, 99. Got it? Please write down.
done.
Very good. Yes, everyone has done it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shivani, Flavia, Khushi.
Sir, doing.
Any problem you're facing, you can ask me.
Yes. Sir.
Yes, sir.
See, morning में उठ के 10 बार बोलो, I can do everything, I can do everything, and you see things will start moving the way you want. When you are optimistic, you are positive, उस कहते हैं ना सारी खुदाई आपकी तरफ हो जाएगी. That would be the effect. The nature will start supporting you. Okay, let's come to 3-digit number. It's not only 2-digit numbers. If it is 119, so what I have to add? 12. So that
12.
means 11 plus 12 is 23. 23 plus 12 is 35. 35 plus 12 is 47. 47 plus 12 is 59. 59 plus 12 is 71. 83. 95. 107. 119. And 0. Finish. So is it tough? Now, if somebody asks you, what is the basic eligibility to learn Vedic mathematics? So the basic eligibility is you should know single digit addition. And you should be clear up till tables up till 8. So if you have thorough knowledge of this, yes, I would say thorough knowledge. It should not be 8 plus 9 or 17. No, it should be 17. 8 plus 7, 15.
Yes, sir.
8 plus 6, 14. 8 plus 3, 11. So 2 things are required. So everybody knows these 2 things. Sanjay, ये 2 तो हो जाएंगी.
Yes, sir.
Single digit addition and tables up till 8. Everybody can do it.
Yes.
So
Yes,
if you
sir.
can do this, then you can easily learn and explore Vedic mathematics and master even. Right. And if I can do it, why not you? Any doubt, any questions you have regarding this table concept? Yes, Apeksha, now tell me how you are doing. Khushi, which concept you were following? You wrote that I know the concept.
12.
Yes,
23.
can you explain? Can you tell? Apeksha, you?
So there is generalized method, write down the 8 table and 9 table. And if there is a double digit in a ones, then you have to add it in a
So
earlier number.
why this generalized table in case of 89 only? But
No, they
in that case also, you have to write down the table of 9 in case of 99. Here,
Yes, yes.
you don't need to write anything. Now that
Right, sir.
generalized case, what stopped you up till 99 only? That's what was my question.
Right. I don't know, sir. They taught only that one.
They taught you. Why didn't you go ahead? Let me tell you that. See, that is what I'm asking you. Whatever we are learning, try to think beyond that and question me.
Right.
Okay. Yes, Flavia?
Yes.
Khushi, you're not answering. What happened?
Nothing, sir.
आवाज नहीं आ रही भैया आपकी. You can write down. You said I know the concept, so that was what I was wondering. What concept you know?
Sir, I just know till 99. So where I'm like, if I'm putting 9 here, so I have to write down table of 9 and then add the numbers.
That so why only up to the same thing Apeksha is saying? Why not beyond 99 then? Why don't you think I'm just मैं बार बार एक ही चीज बोलता हूँ आप पूछते क्यों नहीं है भाई? Restricted थे कि यार you were doing some recorded classes. Okay, leave it. I don't want to. Yes. Okay, let's move further. So second methodology where you can write down the table of any number. Any two. Yes, Sanjay. Sanjay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, what I experienced in Nepal was students can do tables up till 12. Maximum was 15. Even in 8th class standard, 9th class standard, I was having a seminar in Kathmandu also and in Biratnagar also. What I realized, they don't know about 15. What about you? 16 you can do?
Yes, sir.
So how much time you need to write a table of 87?
Again, same, sir. 5 minutes.
Now, this is what I wanted to ask. Now, regarding 16, let me clear you first. Once 16 is clear, every table you can write. See, we need the confidence.
Sir, many of the students, they even don't know like a 5, 6 table or 8 table. So is there any like simple way to teach them?
No, see, there are so many teachers who are giving tricks for 4 table, 6 table, 8 table. Now, if you'll give so many tricks to a person, when will they use their brains? At least, see why I put down the condition. You should know tables up till 8. Okay, I'll give you a very simple example. How many phone numbers you remember, Apeksha, now?
Not more than 2, 3, sir.
Shivani, how many numbers you remember now?
Not more than 4, 5.
Yes, Flavia. 4. Khushi, how many numbers?
Sir, 3.
3. और जब मोबाइल फोन नहीं था, you were having that landline phone, वो जो मूवमेंट वाला, तब कितने नंबर्स याद थे?
Only 1. 1 or 2.
तब भी.
सर उसमें कोडिंग्स भी रहता था और देवर लाइक उसमें इतना इजी नहीं था.
You are the first person in the world I heard this answer. मेरा कहने का मकसद नहीं आप समझे, हमें पहले सारे नंबर्स याद हो जाते थे, अब हम याद नहीं रख पाते. क्यों नहीं रख पाते? क्योंकि now we believe that we have got a mobile and everything is stored in that mobile. So why should we remember anything? You got my point. The point is, earlier we used to remember because there was no option of storing those numbers. Either diary में लिखें या दिमाग में लिखें, तो हमें याद रहता था. Now we know we have stored in our mobile, so we don't remember. Even अगर आपके 3 numbers हैं, तो आपको अपने घर वाला number नहीं पता होगा. And that is not a situation of you. Everyone Why? Because we have programmed our brain like this. Oh, I have everything in my phone. 5 मिनट के लिए अपना मोबाइल ऑफ कर दीजिए, आपको एक भी नंबर याद नहीं आता. So what is going wrong? Because we have stopped using our brains. Sanjay, don't take it any personal remark. मैं आपको एक चीज बताता हूँ. You know Nelson Mandela?
Okay, yes, sir.
What he told, if you want to destroy a country, you need not to have army or something. Only allow cheating in their exam system. So what?
Yes, sir. And I believe it, sir.
So what you are doing? You are allowing calculators in your 8th class exam and 9th class exams. So why you are taking math exam if you're allowing the calculators inside the exam?
Yes, sir. It is.
You understood my
Very
problem?
bad system.
I was there in Kathmandu. If you ask some tough question to your kids, to your children, do you know what they answer? I said, how will you do this? Everybody with calculator. So what is happening? They have stopped using their brains. Now today, if they have stopped using their brains, what will be there tomorrow? That was an example. Like we forgot phone numbers, someday we'll forget everything because we are not using our brain.
Yes, sir. This is the point.
So we have to use our brain. Why God has given us this?
To
It
use
is good. See, we invented machines to use it, but not to empower us. So calculator is, I won't say calculator is bad if you are using it for some business purpose. But why in the childhood, when it is the age to learn something, when it is the age to develop some knowledge, at that time we allowed calculators in the exam. Okay, do anything. So why will they do maths? And can you avoid mathematics? Yes, can anyone? Yes, Flavia, can you avoid mathematics in your life? Okay, I have a simple question. You all belong to different fields of life. Now, there was a question in Quora. How many of you know about Quora? Quora? Chalo, leave it. Quora bhi nahi pata. A simple question was there. What you will teach to someone in just 1 minute, and which is lifelong asset to that person. आप ऐसा क्या जिंदगी में किसी को सिखा सकते हैं 1 मिनट या 2 मिनट में और जो उसके जिंदगी भर काम आए? Yes, Apeksha, what would be your answer? Khushi?
So now multiplication with 11.
This is wrong. This is cheating. Yes, Khushi, what should be your answer? Think beyond 11 now. I'll give you the answer. See, if you ask this question from a doctor, what will he answer? He'll say, Sanjay, what will you answer? Okay, at least listen. So if you ask doctor, he'll say, I'll teach somebody artificial respiration so that in the case of emergency, in the case of accident, one can use this, right? And he's correct. If you ask this question to an engineer, he would say, I will teach how to draw a straight line. Because that is very important. अगर एक straight line बनानी इंजीनियर को नहीं आती तो कौन सा आपका ब्रिज टिक जाएगा, कौन सी बिल्डिंग टिकेगी? You very well can imagine. Now, if you ask this to a person of Vedic mathematics, I try to teach money translation. Can you avoid money transaction in your life? क्या आप मनी ट्रांजैक्शन के बिना जिंदा रह सकते हैं? सरवाइव भी कर सकते हैं? आप You may be a lawyer, you may be a doctor, you may be an engineer, you may be a beggar, you may be a housewife, you may be a maid. Everybody needs money transaction. आज प्रॉब्लम कहाँ है? हम बच्चों को अच्छे स्कूल में पढ़ाते हैं, पर अगर उसको 100 रुपए देके बाजार भेज दें तो they cannot purchase something and get back in return exact amount. So what is the use of such education? And if you go abroad, like I travel in Nepal, now their money transaction is more important because you have to convert the money also. And so one cannot survive without money transaction. Whatever you do. Now in Vedic maths, there is a very simple concept known as all from 9, last from 10, which is applicable on bases and sub-base. जो concept Vedic maths का, but it is exactly applicable on all money transactions of the world. And nobody can forget. So once you learn this, always teach to your maids, your servants, your driver, because market आपने उन्हीं को भेजना है. Otherwise वो आप ही का पैसा नुकसान करते हैं. I do remember, see, I am sending couriers every day. Now postal charges are 68 rupees. वो maid से मेरे 70 ले लेते थे, 2 रुपए change ही नहीं देते थे, कहते इतना ही है. When I taught this thing to them, they never go wrong. वो 2 रुपए हैं, आपको आज लगता है 2 की amount नहीं है, but if you calculate 10 days, it becomes 20 rupees. It's not a matter of 2 rupees or something. The point is, what you are teaching, you are basically teaching subtraction. Abhi, Sanjay, you said negative sign. It was not negative sign, it is subtraction which confuses the student. Why it confuses, that we'll discuss later. But let's come to the second topic. Yes, so 16 was my question. Now, all those who have not done, now start like from here itself, 16. Now every student, everybody knows the table of 1. Yes, Sanjay, you know table of 1?
Yes, sir.
So please write down, that's all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Second is write down the table of 6. Now 6 also you might be knowing. 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, then 48, then 54, 60. Any doubt up till here? No doubts. Everybody knows. Now, remember what we learned earlier, a concept of place value. So can you have, now if it is a unit place, it is tens place. Now first level, see 1 digit at tens place, 1 digit at unit place. That means it is 100% correct. Rearrange 1, 6 together. Now can you have 2 digits at unit place? Yes, Sanjay, can you have 2 digits at unit place?
No, sir, no.
So just move the bigger, move the extra digit, remove it. 32, 8 as it is, 1 plus 3 becomes 4, 4 as it is, 2 plus 4 becomes 6, 0 as it is, 3 plus 5 becomes 8, 2 as it is, 7 plus 4 becomes 1, 1, 8 as it is, 8 plus 4 becomes 12, 4 as it is, 9 plus 5 becomes 14, 0 as it is, 10 plus 6 becomes 16. So tell me one thing, what is easy? Adding 16 plus 16 every time? This will give 32. Then 16 add, it will give 48. After that, it will start giving me carryovers. This is easy, or adding 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2. What is easy?
Second one, sir.
So why didn't you follow this? Because, sir, this is not in the books.
No, yes, actually it is not in the book, and
So is this a topic difficult?
I also don't know.
So it is not in your books. See,
Earlier.
Sanjay, it is not in your books.
No,
It is
sir.
not in any book of the world. You talk about India syllabus, you talk about UK syllabus, you talk about Australia syllabus, you talk about Germany syllabus. I've taught in all these countries. This concept is not given in any book. But is it not our duty to upgrade ourselves? See, we started with we used to make parothas in the breakfast. Now we have turned to pizzas also. So from parothas to pizzas, we are upgrading ourselves, we can say. So why not we are enhancing our knowledge? Or will we? Yes, this is the question. See, this is what when I asked this to the teachers, I had a seminar in Haryana. It is very, very famous college and school. They have 42 schools in India. And when I was taking a batch of teachers, I asked the same question. One replied me back, sir, this was only taught to us, so we are also teaching the same. What is this? So if you were not taught the concept, is it not your duty to understand? Or is it not your duty to upgrade yourself? We started with PCs, now we are on the laptops. We started with the simple phones, now we are having Android phones. Everything we are upgrading. Why not our education? Why not our knowledge? So is it tough? Yes, Shivani.
Yes, sir.
ये टफ था? ये सिस्टम टफ है पढ़ने समझने का करने का?
No, sir.
Apeksha, this was what you were telling me? Khushi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but then again my question is why limitation then? We'll do today, don't worry. I'll clear all your doubts. 38. So again, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16, 24, 32, 40. So what happens? 38 as it is. 6, 7, 4, 11, 2, 15, 0, 19. See, we will never go wrong. Because it is simple single digit addition. We all know that. And when you'll do something good, you'll always perform better and better. See, taking small steps always give you confidence. Rather than adding 38 plus 38, it was better to add 6 and 1. Because small steps will give you more confidence. Is it clear now? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes, Sanjay. Now you can write the table of 87.
Yes, sir, I think so.
Again, I think so. It should be yes, I can. Okay, I'll show you.
Yes,
8,
sir.
7, 16, 14, 24, 21, 32, 28, 40, 35. Rest you can complete. So 87 as it is. 4, 174, 1, 2, 6, 8, 34, 5, 43. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, yes, 99. Khushi and Apeksha, you have done 99. Okay. Now see, here you are doing this 19, 27, 27. This is how you have done. So 9, 9, 8, 1, 9. But again, we have to do some calculation. So if it is particularly number 9, then you should adopt that method. Now my question is, why not 3-digit numbers? Let it be 1, 2, 3. So what happens? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Now see, this is as it is because all have unit place 1 digit, tens place 1 digit, 100 place 1 digit. 2, 4, 6 as it is, 3, 6, 9 as it is. See, you have not even added 123 every time. Still you are getting the correct answer. Now here, 12. Okay, 1 shifted here. 4, 9, 2, 5. 1 goes here. So 1. Again, this one goes here. 6, 8, 3, 7. Yes, Apeksha, now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
You should have that confidence. Khushi?
Yes, clear, sir.
So, ये मत कहना किसी को भी कि हमें यही सिखाया गया था, because what happens, I'll tell you. जैसे 11 का किया हमने, मैंने आपको 22 तो नहीं सिखाया था अपेक्षा.
Right, sir.
You tried 22.
Right, sir.
That is how, if you have been taught for 3 digits, 2 digits, you have to think beyond that. Can I do further? Can we go ahead? And there is always yes only. There cannot be no. Now clear 3 digits. Any example, any question you have now? Because you both have done it earlier. So that's what I'm asking you both. Shivani?
No, sir. I don't have any doubt. एक और इससे हटके क्वेश्चन था सर,
बोलिए.
जैसे 38 5 से कोई डायरेक्टली पूछता है तो इससे भी.
Yes, I'm giving you. I'll give you.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
Shivani, any question?
No, sir.
Flavia? Flavia, you can write down if you have any question. Okay. Now, there is one more question. When you teach all these tables to anyone, then we ask, sir, we don't get tables in the class, in the exam. What if it is directly asked 38 into 5? Or 197 into 6? Or 3187 into 8? Yes, this is your question, Apeksha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me solve everyone. See how we have done till now. 8 5s are 44, 5 3s are 15, and 4 19. This we all know it. But the problem arises is students make a silly mistake. They overlook this. They overlook this. They avoid this. They भूल जाते हैं बच्चे. अगर भूलते ना होते तो क्लास 1 2 3 में मल्टीप्लिकेशन ही क्वेश्चंस है मैक्सिमम. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication, still they are not getting 100% in maths. And you know this maths, once you start lagging behind, you are finished. Most of you might be teachers. 10th में maths में कम आए marks, आप क्या करते हैं? उसको shift कर देते हैं. You shift it to commerce, you shift it to arts, and जो बहुत rich होते हैं, they shift it to medical. Maths नहीं लेना है, because maths में marks कम आए हैं. ये जानने की कोशिश नहीं करनी है कि maths में कम क्यों आ रहे हैं. Only what we know is shift to arts. After 5 years, because after completing their 2 years of +2 and then 3 years of graduation, a BA student, a BCom student, are they not eligible for good institute of MBA? No, because they cannot give the entrance exam. उनको डर होता है, I cannot give maths exam. If you talk about any competition, any entrance test, it always has maths exam. And they don't have that confidence. So फिर क्या करेंगे? फिर वही private कोई college लेंगे medical MBA का. Same is the case with medical students. You ask to a teachers, see, even if you have medical, you will always go for physics and chemistry, and bio is your subject. Agreed. You have avoided maths and you have taken bio. But what about the numericals of physics and chemistry? They are also maths, because they are also calculations. This is a major problem students face. If you talk to the professors or lecturers of physics and chemistry, they'll say students of mathematics background perform very good in physics and chemistry because others lose marks in numericals. So total marks is always less. Got the point? Now, what is the way we do in Vedic maths? 38 into 5. Let's do it place wise. It is known as place wise. 8 into 5, 40. 8 into 50. This is what table we did. Just add your balancing line so that you don't do any mistake. Tables where we didn't kept the balancing line, we just maintained the distance. But here, so 190. Yes, 2 steps have been taken. First step, second step. You'll say, sir, ye to step बढ़ gaye. But accuracy has increased to 100%. Now a student will not make mistake in carryovers. Got it? Second thing.
Yes, sir.
196 into 6. Again, 36. 9 6 are 54. 6. So again, 6 as it is. 7, 11. Finish. No mistakes. No silly mistakes. We'll discuss on this topic, silly mistakes. What are silly mistakes in mathematics and how to avoid it? Anyone has any question? Now is it clear, Apeksha?
Yes, sir, definitely.
Clear, sir.
Shivani?
Yes, sir, clear.
Now this is regarding single digit number. You asked me a double digit number, but for that the concept is entirely different, right? So that we are not dealing right now. Yes, Khushi, Khushbu. You have any questions now? Okay. So again, any number we can take. 7, 8. Let it be 5. Okay. So 14, 16, 10. Right. So this is how we did table. Now is it clear? Multiplication done. 4-digit number 7, 8, 6, 5 into 9. Done. 45. 9 6 are 54. 9 8 are 72. 9 7 are 63. Keep on doing. 5, 8, 5. So 7. See, if you understand this balancing concept, everything would become very easy in maths. Very easy. Any questions, any doubts now? Okay, so let's move back to the. So this was the second reason why should we do Vedic mathematics. The second advantage of Vedic mathematics. Coming to the next. So this again, you'll be getting these notes. It is called as magic box of 3x3 and you'll do everything. The third advantage, it reduces scratch work in maths as well as finger counting. Now, when you were doing 576 into 121, did you require scratch work? Scratch work means rough work. If you remember, we are always given extra sheets known as rough work sheets in mathematics exams. Yes, we are given or not?
Yes, sir.
So now, did you use that rough work for any calculation? Was it required now?
No, sir.
That is what I said. It reduces scratch work as well as finger counting. Why I am mentioning here finger counting?
Time consuming, sir. It consumes.
No,
time.
it is not
Finger
time
counting.
consuming. As a parent, do you like your child counting on fingers? It does not give a good look. Now, why I am pointing out particularly, where does the child develop this habit in the school? Why? Because there are certain students who are also going for abacus. And why we are discussing this finger counting? Because when you start teaching, the the first question parents will come to you and ask, what is the difference between abacus and Vedic mathematics? So the first question will be always the same. Sir, ma'am, what is the difference? Sir, what is the difference? You should know. Here I will not say abacus is not good. No, abacus is also a very good mental tool. But when you compare it with Vedic mathematics, now abacus can be used for the basic operations. Basic means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now, some of you might have taught abacus. You know what happens when you go further. You cannot do algebra with that. You cannot go for square roots with that. You cannot go for trigonometry, geometry, so many other mathematics parts. So you are basically dealing with arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But in Vedic mathematics, the scope is very big. With the help of these 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras, you can solve problems in arithmetics, algebra, calculus, conics, trigonometry, geometry, and even organic chemistry. Right. Second, use of tool. Now, abacus, you need a tool to work on. Now, you cannot carry that tool. The tool is made up of beads and something. If I was holding a tool, if it would be a abacus class today, I would have holded a tool. Was it easy to converse? Because we are again dependent on the tool. And I told you, whatever you do independently, that is much faster. So Vedic mathematics, the calculations are done mentally. So both learning as well as teaching is easy and faster. Clear? Third thing, you cannot carry your tool everywhere, not even in a class or an examination hall, but you are carrying your brain every time with you. So please understand the value of your brain. Understand the power of your brain. Right? So everything is possible if you start using your brain. Fourth advantage, it increases concentration. Now, when I talk about concentration, again, moms will come to you and ask the same question. My child is not able to concentrate, so he's investing so much of time in studies. See, what is concentration? Concentration can be a repetitive action of anything you do. See, why don't they complain that my child is not able to concentrate in games? Yes, Apeksha? Flavia? Shivani? Why don't they say that their child is not able to concentrate in games? Because kids find that interesting. In education, they don't find it interesting. So whenever you will not perform, repetitively do something, your concentration levels will always go down. And here, okay, one question to everyone. When you were calculating so fastly with 11, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11, was not something positive vibes going inside your body? Were you not feeling something happiness, joyous in your body? Yes, Shivani, Apeksha?
Yes, sir.
What was that? That positive feeling. See, that means if I give you more questions, you'll continue doing because you're feeling positive. You're feeling joyous. So you'll find interest in that. Second thing, our right brain, left brain, they get activated. Third, now we have more visual ability, we have got reasoning powers, and we have more logics to apply. So all these lead to increase in concentration, right? Last but not the least, it reduces silly mistakes. What are silly mistakes in mathematics? So one is multiple carryovers. Just now we saw an example of big tables or multiplication. हर बार carry over आएगा. And this carryover is generally avoided or overlooked, and we make silly mistakes. In case of subtraction, there is a borrow. आज तक समझ नहीं आता how zero, you borrow something from 1 and it becomes 10. 1000 minus 900, 333 करना हो तो समझ नहीं आता how the last zero becomes 10 and other becomes 9. Yes. So in class 2 and 3rd, when the kids have only subtraction, then also they are failing in that. And I will not say the teachers are not teaching properly, but they are not able to get still. But here, let me tell you, we don't have any borrow system in subtraction. It goes with one simple sutra, all from 9, last from 10, and your job is done. So Vedic mathematics reduces your silly mistakes. Right? So no borrow, no multiple carryovers. Yes, I have taken much of your time. I believe you all are exhausted. So let's come into last parts. Are there any disadvantages? Apeksha, do you think any disadvantages of Vedic mathematics?
What, sir? No, sir, no.
Shivani?
No, sir.
Yes, Flavia? Khushi? Sanjay?
No, not it, sir.
I can count two disadvantages. The first, people will feel jealous of you. See, today, if you just ask so many, whosoever is in your circle, just ask them, do you know the table of 89? Can you write the table of 89 in 10 seconds and ask them what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11? They'll not be able to answer. Second thing, you will not use calculators anymore. So all the calculators you have at your home, you have to remove it. So that is the biggest disadvantage. No use of calculators now, and people will be jealous of your calculation speed. Right. So all of you are professionals, and now I started with the mark. Welcome to the magical Vedic mathematics. Remember, and I said I will make you believe. Now you believe Vedic maths is magical? Yes, Sanjay, do you believe
Yes, sir.
Vedic maths is magical? Apeksha, Shivani,
Yes, sir.
Flavia, do you
Right,
think
sir.
Vedic
Yes.
maths is magical? देखिए 2.25 घंटे हो गए हैं, आपको बोरिंग लगा? कैलकुलेशन इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग हो गई कि जो हमने इतने टाइम से नहीं किया था वो एकदम ऐसा इजी लगने लग गया. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. Okay. So now why we are talking about this? See, now the things have changed. If you're going for an interview, and let it be a school interview, does your certificates can get you a job? If you are a gold medalist or you are a topper, just that certificate can give you a job today? Yes. Do you think so? Or your presentation skills, your teaching skills will get you a job?
Presentation skills.
See, I'll tell you the difference. Now, before Corona, what was happening? Whatever a teacher was teaching, everybody used to abide to that, because that education was limited to 4 walls. So, and the situation was very, at the time of PTM, if teacher used to say to the parent, your child is not attending the class properly or not punctual or anything, not attentive, a parent used to thrash the child there itself. After Corona, what has happened is you have got global market, but at the same time, global competition is there. Now, if a teacher says the parent, yes, your child is not attentive, not understanding, or not doing such things, a bouncer comes back from the parent. We know how you teach. We have compared your teaching skills with the other person who is teaching in the different school or on the net. Have any one of you faced the situation? Okay. Now this is what has happening. Same is if you're in a marketing, if you are in a company, a marketing job or any other job, same there also these skills are required. Presentation skills, your knowledge skills. So what I mean to say is now two things are essential. One is the content. See, we are here talking about only online classes. Offline also you need both these things, but in online you have a competition where these are much important. One is your content and second is delivery. So content you can buy, you can purchase, but on delivery part you have to work on it. So that was the reason why I said please switch on your videos that time, because when you are switching on the videos you are more attentive, you are not getting distracted. Otherwise what happens, a small disturbance will distract you and you'll miss the things. And similarly when you are teaching also, you have to check whether the audience is getting everything. It's not you come and speak and go. No. So content and delivery both are important. We'll discuss on this more tomorrow. For now, you have a homework. So I'll be sharing you homework on your WhatsApp first thing. So that would be regarding 11 multiplication and tables and all. Second, you need to open a Facebook page. You need to create a Facebook page and an Instagram page. If you don't have, because all of you might be having profiles. If you're not into business, you might have not created a page. If you find any difficulty, you can ask me later. It's very easy. Go to your Facebook. There it is an option of create and you can create a page. Why is it necessary? Because tomorrow we will learn how to launch your classes online. So what I want is you can start your classes from Monday itself. So if you're ready for that, be prepared and have this Facebook page ready and Instagram page ready. Right? Any questions now?
No, sir.
Yes? Anyone has any questions now? Apeksha, Flavia, Shivani, Shilpa.
No, sir, I don't have doubt.
Okay then. So homework would be shared within few minutes. Video, the recording of this video would be shared to you within 2 hours. And hope to see you with the homework. Right. So tomorrow at the same time, we'll meet again. Right. So if
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
okay.